Hey guys, it's Kira, aka Style Omelet, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the NEEWER 18-inch ring light. So if you want to see, stay tuned. Here it is, the ring light. Okay, that's it for that box. And it's already getting dark outside, so we're gonna need this. Okay, I think this is gonna be the tripod. It is. I don't think this comes with instructions, so just gonna figure it out. Wait, where would you like this? I'm not sure. Okay, I'm smart, see? I don't need instructions. Then, it comes with this handy dandy bag, which I'm sure has the ring light in it. It's the lights. Okay. This looks like this is about to be confusing. Okay, so I guess that's everything out of the bag. Then we have this box. Okay, so the box has the cord. I don't know what that is. The little light filters. The other light filters. Oh, it does come with instructions. If I would have just been patient, I would have saw the instructions. This is a lot though. Like, am I actually gonna read this? Probably not. Okay. So we have the little thing for your phone and then a Bluetooth remote. Probably I'm gonna have to read this because I don't know. Found it. Okay, wait. Here we go. Now we in action. Okay, what do we do with this little thing? Okay, that's last. Okay, cool. This does not seem sturdy. Ugh. Sorry about these angles, y'all. See, y'all will be up better once I put you on the ring light. But for now, y'all have to be on my mini little tripod. Okay, so now we got the ring light on the stand. Okay, wait, why? Wait, what's going on? Y'all see this ring light slowly dropping down? What happened? Why you just do that? I gotta tighten this bottom part up. I didn't know what was happening. I didn't even know it could get that low. Oh. This is too much movement. Okay, now I gotta put these on. All right, this is the ring light, y'all. Ooh, it's so bright. That's the brightest, and then it goes lower. So this is me with just natural light. I mean, the sun is going down, so the natural light is not that great right now. But this is me with natural light, and this is me with the ring light. Ooh. So this is the brightest. I can't even see. And this is like in the middle. This is cute. Yes, I can't wait. I'm excited. Let's see how it look when I turn the light on too. Okay, so this is the ring light and my living room lights. Cute. And this is the white filter. Let me put on the other filter so y'all can see. Even though I don't think I'm gonna use it that much, but let's just see. Okay, this is the warm light. Oh, it's not that bad. It doesn't look, I mean, I can't tell. It's blinding. I can't even see. I'll have to look back at it when I'm editing, but this isn't bad either. And this is the dimmest. But yes, I like this. It's so cute. Video's about to be on point. Pictures about to be on point. Everything. Yeah, so that's that. I'm excited about this. And thank y'all for watching. Bye.